Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix server errors on OpenArt. So server errors on this platform usually mean that the issue is happening on the platform side, like overload, timeouts, or failed backend request. But you still can fix that issue, or there are still several things you can do to fix or bypass it. So actually guys, first you can just refresh and retry, and let's take this step as the first step. So many server errors are temporary, so you can just go ahead and click on the curved arrow that's located at the top left at reload, and then click on generate again if you are trying to generate something, and wait 1 to 3 minutes before retrying. And that often fixes the 500 error generating instantly. Also guys, you will need to check your internet connection, so just go ahead and run a test by fast.com by Netflix, or that powered by Netflix, and yeah, check your megabytes per second or your internet, or if your internet is strong enough to generate images and videos using the OpenAI platform. And also guys, you will need to restart your router, move closer to it, even turn off the VPN, and that's very important, okay? So the VPNs commonly break OpenArt requests. Also guys, I do really advise you to be patient, so just wait for server overload to pass, because the OpenArt can get overloaded during break or peak times. The symptoms are low loading, failed generations, and server error messages. So just wait 5 to 15 minutes and try again later. That often works immediately after. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.